Hello everyone. Let me introduce to you Marut industrial louvers. First of all, let us understand why we have invented industrial louvers. So till that you have observed that turbo ventilators are running over the roof of the industries. These turbo ventilators have few problems. The first problem, they are not capable enough to eliminate the hot air from the building. The second problem, it has a water leakage issues, and the third thing, it has a frequent bearing problems. The noise problems are coming from the turbo ventilators. To solve this problem, Marut Air has came up with industrial louvers. These industrial louvers have an opening and closing mechanism. You can open and close the louvers. Second point, these louvers are so powerful that it is equivalent to the 2 turbo ventilators into the building, and these louvers are mounted on the side wall of the building. It means even in one puncture on the wall is equivalent to the 2 turbo ventilators. There is a very less chances of water leakages, and the third point, the louvers are opening at 90 degrees, which allows the light to pass through, and these turbo ventilators acts as a skylight as well. Our industrial louvers has a very elegant design. We recommend louvers into the every industrial buildings for the natural ventilation. It does not have any power consumption. It is very useful product for the natural ventilation. Thank you.